Philippines Mira kasi. Okay na sana yung snipe na yun eh. Nilagyan pa ng ano. Gusto mo talaga akong mahulog Philippines Mira, no? Hey, it's 10. Guys, 5 more left, people. Guys, 5 more left, people. 5 more wins, people. 5 more wins, people. We will win this game, people. Everyone, guys. Shout, people. Everyone, please type Philippines Mira. Macy and Shao. How to pronounce your name, Madam Shao? Shao Kuti? Shao Kuti. Shao Kuti ba? Shao Kuti, guys. Guys, lagi Shao Kuti. Everybody! 5 more wins to go, people. And after, panalo na po tayo. Everyone, Philippines Mira. Si Tony! Come here, Tony. Tony.
10-6.
Tony, come here, Tony.
Nije, ljudi.
Come here, Tony.
10-6.
Come here, Tony. Come here, Tony. Tony! Tinatawag ka ng nanay mo, Tony! Nandito ka pala, Tony, nakatambay, ha? Pinahugas ka ng plato ng nanay mo, tapos kaya pala nawala ka. Pumunta ka pala sa malaking Cocomelon ngayon! Pinahugas ka ng plato ng nanay mo, tapos dito ka lang nakatambay. Susumbong kita sa nanay mo, Tony, ha, kapag nag-gift ka dyan. Sinusumbong kapag nag-gift. Everybody, guys, triple. Triple, people. Triple. Everyone, triple in the chat. Triple in the chat, people. Guys, 1,000.
Say, oh, why does it feel so good? So good to be there. Getting what I want, boy. Why does that make you so mad? You see, oh, why does it feel so good? So good to be there. 'Cause if the struggle that you're looking for, oh, baby,
Everybody, guys. Go! Go! Triple, people. Triple. Go, everyone.
Jelena! Jelena, pazi, ima neku babetinu tamo, ubija me konstantno. 2 babe u stvari ima. 2 babe, ljudi. 2, tako je, jeste. 2, tu. Jeste. Evo snajpovat će. Evo ih babetine, kreću. Evo ova prva, evo i druga. Jebo i otac.
Philippines Mira! Amazing! Shut up!
feel so good. So good to be there.
1, 2, 3.
Znam da... Čerpa.
Who's your MVP, girl? Who's your MVP, girl? Where's Tony? Where's Tony? Tony? Jelena, you know what, Jelena? Hey!
Jelena!
Hey, Jelena!
Jelena!
Pagbuo type! Hey, why are you judging me? That's how I read
No,
the names.
Jelena.
No, whatever.
Jelena. Say.
Ito, Alice. Okay, Macy. Everyone, guys, can you say thank you to Macy, people? Hey!
Bye, Macy. Bye, Macy. No more money.
No, at least 4 wins to go. Shut up.
Jelena.
Yelena! You know what, Yelena?
Yes, bravo.
I think, Yelena,
Bravo.
if you drop like this, Yelena, it's so, you guys are wasting the money. You know why? Because you are gifting like this, and again, you lose.